Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on turning a car. In this video, I'll be showing you the basics of turning a car. I'll be demonstrating right-hand turns, left-hand turns, and also a bonus three-point turn. With that being said, let's get right into the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just demonstrate a few things first at a standstill, and then I will be demonstrating myself using them while actually driving on the road. So first and foremost, the safety procedure for making right and left-hand turns, okay? So what you want to do is you want to put your signal on, you want to check your rear view mirror, you want to check your side mirror on the side that you're turning towards, and you want to check your side blind spot on the side that you're turning towards. And a blind spot check is just simply a shoulder check, just like this, that allows you to see what the mirrors cannot actually show you, okay? It's as simple as that. So you want to do all of those things, and then if there's a stop sign, you want to come to a complete stop. And you're looking for traffic and pedestrians to ensure that it's absolutely safe to proceed before you proceed to make that turn. You should only proceed to turn when it is absolutely safe to do so. So with that being said, those are the safety procedures. Let's go ahead, let's start driving. I'm gonna make some turns and then I will explain what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So one quick note, when you're turning right or left, your goal should be to turn the steering wheel and know when to stop turning it and hold it there for the duration of the turn and then release it once you've finished the turn. So as you can see right over here, I'm gonna make a right-hand turn at this stop sign. I'm sorry, I have a really itchy nose right now. So I'm gonna put my right signal on, check my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot, come to a complete stop, scan the road around for pedestrians and traffic, and now that I'm good to go, watch the steering wheel. I'm able to turn the wheel, hold it here, and then release it. That should be your goal for turning a car right and left, okay? That should be your goal. I'll do the same thing right here. There's no stop sign for this turn, but I'm able to turn the wheel, hold it, and release it. Now that happens with practice. The more that you practice driving, the better that you'll be at actually being able to hold the steering wheel and hold it in place as you turn. The more that you practice, the better that you'll be. Now what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna pull over to the side of the road and I'm gonna show you a three-point turn. So right now, I pulled over to the side of the road, my right signal's on, and I'm scanning the road in front of me and behind me for traffic and pedestrians. Now there's a car approaching from behind me, so I'm gonna wait for that car to move. Now that that car has moved, I'm going to put my left signal on, and once again, there's no traffic, no pedestrians, I'm good to go. So I'm gonna take the steering wheel, and I'm gonna look around me first. Now I'm taking the steering wheel, and I'm turning it all the way to the left, and I'm moving towards the other side of the road, coming to a complete stop, putting my right signal on, putting the car in reverse, steering all the way to the right, and looking around as I reverse. This is the second point of the three-point turn. Coming to a complete stop, left signal goes on, car goes into drive. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, look around, and proceed. That's the third point of the three-point turn. So I just did that because I needed to make a three-point turn to head this way on the street because, you know, I couldn't make any more turns there. So I figured that I would incorporate the three-point turn right then and there. So check this out. Left signal goes on, checking my rear view mirror, my left side mirror, my left blind spot, coming to complete stop, looking for traffic because this is not an always stop. And now I'm good to go. Turn the wheel and hold it, and then just release it when I've completed the turn. So now I want to talk about the steering method for turning right and left, because there are a few steering methods that you can use, and I'll go over my favorite ones. So basically, I'm just gonna let this car go first, so that I have a little bit more time. The first one is hand over hand steering, which is the one that I commonly use, which basically, as you see right there, involves one hand going over the other hand. So check it out. I'll do hand over hand steering a few more times, and then I'll move on to a different steering method called push-pull steering, and then I'll even show you one-handed steering. So check this out. I'm gonna make a left-hand turn over here. Good to go. Hand over hand. One hand turns the wheel, the other hand goes over, and just like that. You're basically bringing one hand over the other. And I've actually done a few tutorials specifically on hand over hand steering, but I just wanted to demonstrate it right now for you in this video. So check this out. I'm gonna turn right over here. Once again, coming to a complete stop, good to go. Hand over hand steering, check this out. One hand goes over the other hand. Now the next thing I want to talk about is push-pull steering. So for push-pull steering, you have the steering wheel and you're sliding one hand along the wheel while the other hand actually controls the wheel. So check this out. I'm going to use push-pull steering to make a left-hand turn right here. My left hand is pulling the steering wheel down. My right hand is sliding to meet it at the bottom. Now my right hand is doing the work and my left hand is sliding along the wheel. Now I know that it might be difficult to see this in this video, but I'm just trying to do these things as an added bonus. The main idea of the video is to turn the car, but I just wanted to add this in just to give you an idea of the different steering methods. One other steering method that I would recommend using is one-handed steering. It's important to know how to steer with one hand. Push your palm against the wheel, use that pressure to rotate the wheel just like that. Very simple. And I'll demonstrate one-handed steering right here as I make a right at the stop sign once again. So just for the safety, signal goes on, rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot, coming to complete stop, looking for traffic and pedestrians, using one-handed steering to make this turn, just like that. Very simple. So the process for turning a car is actually relatively simple, and I just wanted to go over this video as a beginner driving lesson. So this video is geared towards beginner drivers, and I just wanted to show you the process for turning a car. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.